nervous pa. Good morning on behalf of Cara Foundation. We would like to express our gratitude and appreciation for the following individuals who made this event possible. The Cara Foundation's benefactors, Mrs. Jennifer Nagayang Ara Ponson, Maygasi, Charas. To Uncle Ben, the father of this institution. To Tita Del, our silent supporter. To Mr. Macmil Evangelista, who always support the Cara Foundation. His heartfelt dedication to the foundation is very much appreciated. Thank you, sir. To all the parents who are excited and eager to send their kids to school every day. Mga madam, sir, napalaos, napanagyaman ka na kayo amin, uray, nasusubog kayo. Good luck to mag-garden. Ipasa ni Timoro na mo. Kidding aside, to Ma'am Hershey Molina, our SWDO, Ma'am, thank you very much for the time and effort. To our beautiful and sexy Ma'am Darlene Diwana Peral Akigal, our guest speaker for today's event, Ma'am. Thank you for accepting our invitation and imparting your insights and for being an inspiration to the young. To our barangay captain, Honorable Roel T. Bandolin, Cap. Tama lang? Okay. To the beautiful and energetic teachers of Cara Foundation, Daycare and Nursery, Ma'am Celestina Zamora, and Ma'am Oliva Brillantes Inom. Thank you for your dedication, perseverance, patience, skills, and talent. Thank you for being part of the Cara Foundation. We are glad to have you in this institution. To the kids, we are happy for being the instrument of your preschool experience, and hopefully you have learned something that will help you to start a new beginning for your kindergarten journey. Once again, congratulations kids, you are all excellent. Friends, guests, ladies and gentlemen, na inbound na bigat kayo.